It will snow harder through around 9 p.m. Central Tokyo and surrounding areas might see heavy snow. It's advisable to head home early. From late at night to early the next morning, the Pacific coast side of the Tohoku region will see heavy snowfall. Caution is also required after the upcoming snowfall. The southern coast low-pressure system that is expected to bring heavy snow to the Kanto region will develop as it moves up north off the Sanriku coast. It will likely grow fiercely in the Sea of Okhotsk on Wednesday. A strong wintry pressure pattern will set in, with isobars closely placed. This winter's coldest air mass will likely...
Hey YouTube, Michael Pickett here. It is Sunday the 21st of January 2018 and I'm outside my apartment. We had a bit of a warning, which I'm showing you in the video there. To begin with, by the way, there was a bit of a disturbance on the line which I come home from, JR Kirby line, where human damage accident is kind of a euphemism for someone committed suicide. Someone threw themselves onto the tracks. But after that, I was showing you a bit of the TV programs that are telling us that it's going to get cold and snowy and stormy the next few days. And, well, yeah, that's what's going on. Anyway, just thought it was worth noting. See ya. Bye.